This is how to send large video file from laptop to your WhatsApp. First, open your WhatsApp. Locate the person you want to send the video to. Click on this plus sign. Do not send it as photo and video. If you click on this method, the video size will be reduced and it will be blurred. Rather, click on this document. Once you send it as document, the video size will be maintained and the person will download it as a file. Now, locate this video now, click on open, then click on send. The moment you send the video, the person will receive it. And so with this, when the person receives this video file, the person will just have to click here to download it as a file and will watch it in his or her laptop or PC.